Hello everyone. Ito po ang company registration system platform ng DENR Environmental Management Bureau. Ito po ang company registration system kung saan ang ating pong mga company profile, ang mga client ng DENR Environmental Management Bureau, kailangang i-register ang kanyang profile. So dito po sa company registration system, mag-rerehistro ng ating mga pangalan ng establishmento kung saan ang location at siyempre kung sino ang mga responsible officers magmula sa sino ang presidente, sino ang chief executive officer, sino ang local chief executive, the managing head of the establishment, the highest executive officer of the establishment. Dito natin inilalagay sa system. Inilalagay din natin ang pangalan ng appointed or accredited pollution control officer at ang plant manager kung meron mang plant manager ang isang kumpanya. Dito din sa company registration system, binibigay natin ang information, lalong-lalo yung ating environmental compliance. Yung mga relevant clearance, permits, certifications granted by DNR EMB, ina-upload natin dito yung kopya. At iyan naman syempre yung magpapakita kung ano yung compliances natin sa environmental laws na mandated sa DNR Environmental Management Bureau na mag-implement nito. So para magkaroon kayo ng registration ng company profile, magsisimula syempre sa pag-create ng account. So dito po sa client.emb.gov.ph, client.emb.gov.ph, dito po tayo mag-sign up, mag-create ng account. So, gaya nito, makikita nyo itong button na create an account. Click mo lang yan and magkumpleto ng user registration form. So, ito ay first step sa company profile registration, ang pag-create ng online account. So, that is the first step in our profile registration. Second step is once na nakapag-create ng account, magla-login lang dito sa system, and that's step number two or second step, the registration of company profile. Yan na yung magbibigay na tayo ng information kung anong pangalan ng establishment, anong mga pangalan ng responsible officers, anong mga permits, clearance, certificates ang meron na tayo. Dito natin siya i-upload. Now, ang dual purpose ng registration ng company profile sa DNR Company Registration System, one, of course, yung transparency and accountability. Yung ating mga kumpanya pagdating sa compliance to major environmental laws and its implementing rules and regulations. Makikita nila yan dyan. And of course, tracking ng mga regulated communities. Kung makapag-register ang isang establishment dito, natatrack nila yung mga regulated establishments. Second is, of course, kapag registered ka sa company registration system na ito, you may be able to use other online services of DNR EMB gaya ng online permitting and monitoring system dito sa online permitting and monitoring system. sa pag-apply ng relevant permits. Gaya din ng hazardous waste management system para makapag-transport tayo ng ating mga hazardous waste. And of course, sa pag-secure ng PCO accreditation. Kung hindi tayo registered dito sa company registration system, di na rin natin to ma-access. Or I mean, di natin mai sasubmit ang ating application for accreditation. Okay, so the company registration system is required for the clients of DNR EMB prior to transaction to the EMB. Kaya kailangan ang pollution control officer, ang managing head, ay mag-register dito sa company registration system. Pinapangalawahan yan ng nakasulat sa DAO 2014-02, Section 10. Ano ba tong DAO 2014-02? Revised Guidelines for Pollution Control Officer Accreditation Section 10, which is the duties and responsibilities of accredited PCO. In item number 3, sabi dito, I read and I quote, item number 3, attend to all permitting and registration requirements of the establishment prior to the construction, installation, or operation of pollution sources and control facilities. So, nandyan nakasulat yung registration requirements. Therefore, we need to register our company profile to the DNR company registration system in order for us to access other online services of DNR EMB like OPMS, HWMS, online PCO application system. So that's the company registration system.